Welcome back to the channel. We're back at it. Non-consensual towing. We just rolled in over here hot. This property manager's got quite a few people that are not cooperating with the management, and they want some cars towed. So everybody, basically, y'all know what it is. It's been a busy time. We've been out here grinding. One over here on this side, kind of getting an idea. Anyway, I'm just riding through, getting an idea of what's here. She's got a couple in particular that she wants. How you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I want to talk to you. You put tag. Did you put those papers?
Which one? The stickers?
Yes, the stickers.
Yeah. Well, that office the property put those on there.
Which property?
Property here.
Here.
Yeah.
Put those.
Yeah, they're fixing to get towed. Any car that's got a sticker on it's going to get towed.
Why?
Because
I told them that they're supposed to remove it.
Remove what? The sticker?
No, I'm supposed to come. Somebody's coming to take it off, to take the cars off. And I have a car that has a insurance and tag, and they put a sticker on it. I don't know who did that.
Well, that car back there, though, those two over there don't have no plates on that. That car looks like it's been sitting.
Which one?
That Lexus looks like it's been sitting for a long time.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's fixing to get towed. I mean, that's just what they want done, and that's what I do. I can't help that lady was crying about her cars. Her car's fixing to get towed, and she's already been to the office. She was at the office when I was up there earlier. And she knows what it is, man. Wants to know why they're getting towed, but she knows. This person right here has got this tag right here. That's just been sitting there. They stickered it. But that lady knows what's going to happen to her cars. They're going to get towed. And that's the thing. You can't be entitled to the point that you leave your car on property for a long period of time and then expect it not to get towed. She was asking me what I'm doing. I'm doing what the property manager told me to do. She told me to grab these cars and get them out of here. So that's what we're doing. Now that lady's gonna be pissed when I go back over there and hook one of those cars, or hook both of them for that matter. Anyway, I guess we'll ride back over there and hook them. Yeah. That car does got a green sticker on it, so I'm gonna leave it for now until I verify it. I don't want to think the manager's she's on the Zoom call meeting right now, so I'm gonna leave that one. I'm gonna leave that car right there. But this Lexus, we're gonna go ahead and hook it. It ain't got no green sticker on it, man. Hey, this car ain't got no green sticker on it.
You said?
It don't have a green sticker on it.
And that's what I'm saying.
That one don't have a green on it. It's got to go. That's got to go. It's got to go, man. She told me to tow all these cars. I got to tow them. That's just what's happening. That's just what's happening, man. Hey.
We are pulling out this thing.
Right? Yeah. Listen, I understand.
Okay, can I give you something so you don't tow it?
I can't do that.
Please.
Hey, I suggest y'all get the other blue one out.
Yeah?
Hey, because she wants it gone too, but this one, it don't have a green on it.
Yeah, this one don't have it.
It's got to go. The condition of it, it's an eyesore. It's terrible.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
what I'm saying.
It's just, I understand.
That's what I'm saying. Can I give you
It's got to
something
go.
so you don't tow it?
I'm here for the manager. She wants the cars
Yeah,
towed.
but I'm on phone with the manager. I told her I'm going to take it out around 12 and she said yes. I'm on phone with the manager.
Yeah, but the time van is coming to pull it out.
Yeah, she said she gave me till 12. That's what she said, till 12.
Well, listen, I'm looking at the car. She told me to tow the cars.
Yeah, but I'm on phone
She
with
didn't.
her.
She didn't tell me.
She said till 12 and she gave me till 12.
She did not tell me anything at all about not to tow. She said if you see a sticker, tow it.
Yeah,
That one over there, y'all need to be worried about that one.
yeah, that's
I
what
mean,
I'm saying.
does the car will it crank up
But
and drive?
I'm on phone with her. She said she gave me till 12 because I told her I have somebody coming till 12.
We are just expecting the tow van,
Yeah,
but
the
the tow
tow van
van
is
is
coming.
2 hours
Yeah.
from now. It's pulling out.
This
No, it's going out.
coming, so she gave me till 12.
It's 2 hours too late, man. You know what I'm
No,
saying?
you start doing other works. You know, you have so much to do.
Yeah.
In 2 hours time, it's pulling it out.
It doesn't
You know?
start. If it starts,
Yeah.
I could have taken it out. If it starts, I could have taken it out.
Hey, listen, hey, I completely understand that you don't want to get towed. Right now, this car right here, that one's got a green on it. It's got a green sticker.
Yes.
That one does not have a green. It's fixing to get loaded. So just get over that and worry about that one, because I'll be coming back to get that one. She wants these cars out of here, all of them. There's cars all over the property. I'm not trying to be mean. At the same time, I'm here to tow.
I understand. It's not, you are not the making. It is a
Yeah.
message that is being sent and you are trying to do your duty.
That's
You
what I'm
understand?
trying- that's what I'm trying to do.
We understand.
Yeah.
Please, between me and you, can you just, is there any way you can help us to get these things done in 2 hours?
I can't. I can't. This one here, that one right there, it's got a green sticker on it. You know what I'm saying? I got to talk to her before I tow it. This one right here, that one, man, see how rough it is, man. It's rough. It's got to go. Y'all gonna have to come out and get that one from the lot.
Yeah, but it's,
I got to tow it. I can't leave it. She told me. I mean, there's cars all over the property. I have to tow. I can't say you can keep it here. I can't leave it. I got to tow it. I mean, it's just what I do.
I'm not saying thief. I said give her the money. He said, can you talk with the owner on phone? He said,
Hey, talk to, huh?
can you talk with the owner on phone?
That is the husband. Can you talk to him?
Who is that?
He wants to talk to you.
You want to talk to you?
Yeah.
Who is it? Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Tell her
How you
say
doing,
person
man?
dey come.
Yeah, I'm all right. It's not a tip. You know, before, if they want to tow car, if you are there, then they said they are already there, that you have to pay the money. Then they will let the car, then you pay the money. Because
Right.
I already called the truck. The truck is on its way to pick the car.
It's too late, man. I mean, I'm not trying to be mean. You got two over here. This one I just hooked, man. Hey, this car don't run. If they're operable, the car is operable, then yes, you can pay a drop fee. But you can't. The office manager.
That is what I'm telling you.
I understand. Hey, just get your truck over here to get the blue one, to get the other blue one out of here. How many? There was more over here. What? How many cars do you have over here?
These two.
You said what?
There's just two, or how many was there total?
Tell her say two.
I have 2 cars or 3 cars right there. But the
Yeah.
other one, there is insurance.
Hey, this one's going. He can come get it from the lot. That's what it is.
Man, there's no way you can really help us at all.
Huh?
There's no way you can help us.
Listen. Hey, I'm not a mean person. I just have a job. I have to do it. I have to do my job.
Okay, let me call the leasing back.
Okay.
Let me call the leasing back.
Okay. going on, man?
Yeah, I'm good. But what we do is that as far as that you are here, then we give you the money, then you leave the car. Because
I can't. The office manager, she said don't leave no cars. She said get them out of here.
No, I'm coming from the leasing office right now.
Yeah.
They are in conference. They are making a meeting.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you can still put it down.
I can't put it down. It don't run. The car don't run.
Yeah, but my tow truck is doing oil change.
Yeah.
It's doing oil change.
Yeah.
It will be right here.
I understand. Hey, let me cut it down where I can hear it. She basically, she's got heat on her. I don't know why. The police live here. I don't know if the police officers stickered the cars, but they're getting towed. The cars. Hey, get the blue one out of here, man. The blue one, the Honda, get it out of here because it's next.
Yeah. The towing truck is coming to pick this one and the blue car.
Yeah, I understand. I understand.
I called him right now. He said he's just doing all the oil change. It's right here in Norcross because it was yesterday that we saw this paper that we have to take. When others come, they give 2 days. Then you have to do it. Because I know that it's right here, then we have to pay the money to eat. Well, it's more better for me.
I fully understand, and I'm not trying to make your life hard.
No.
I'm just trying to do my job. And in defense. In defense of the manager, okay? Oh, this car, it's been sitting here for months.
Yeah, I know.
It's been sitting here for many months. In defense of her, it's getting towed today. It's just what it is. Hey, get your tow guy, man, to get the blue one. That way you don't get both of them towed. I'm fixing to tow that van over there too. There's a van right there. I'm fixing to hook it, and I'm fixing to roll out. And I'm not trying to make your life hard. I'm not trying to make your life difficult.
Yeah.
This is what they called us. It said, come over here and get these cars out of here. They're all over the property. There's cars everywhere.
I know, because when I go to the office, then it's the same money that I have to pay. So why I'm talking like this now, because I already paid for the truck for 2 cars.
Yeah.
So if he comes right.